I maintain my older home?
You want to evaluate all of the systems of the home, the structural, the roof, the walls, the doors, the windows, anything that can fail. And then you want to see what is needed to be done by most pressing to, the aesthetic things. And then once you have that list, whether you have to do it semi-annually, annually, or, at major repair, you can make a plan of attack and then move forward in a way that creates that you can work from a budget, and then that will help you maintain your home and preserve it at the same time.
When we say older home, well, what period are we referring to?
Typically, we say anything before World War II. That's when the building industry really changed, because we were starting to bring, when the war ended, a lot of building had not been happening in the 30s because of the Depression, and we needed homes. So they started building the developments and the homes that we have today that are the modern homes. Well, that made a whole new industry of product installers. So you lost the craftsmanship. You had people who just came in and installed windows, people who just came in and did drywall, where the traditional trades, you did the whole house. You did the whole you knew how to repair and how every piece worked together. You didn't just do your specialized portion. So typically our cutoff is the end of World War II, which would be the mid 1940s.